So I'm going to proceed with the automation. So let me show you the process. These are the three folders. So this is empty, this is also empty. So we have 6 files inside this folder here. The plan is to move each file one after the other. This file will be moved from this folder into the Ssis folder. Once it has been moved into the Ssis folder, the content will be loaded into the database here. So let me show you the tables. So there are 4 tables: customers, orders, products, region. So the content will be loaded into the 4 tables we have here, and the initial value of the variable here is 0. So once it has been loaded into the database, the file will be moved into the archived folder. That's for the first file. Then the same process is going to be repeated for all the files here. So that means this is going to run for 6. It's going to run 6 times. So it's going to run 6 times. The first one to the second one till it gets to the last one here. So let's proceed. So this is our SSIS. If you are familiar with SSIS, you will understand what all this is all about. So let's proceed with the automation. So this is almost 10:52. I'm going to set this to start by 10:53. So Ssis it's going to run 6 times. So that means it's going to run every minute, occurs every 1 minute. So 6 times is going to be 6 minutes, 10:53 to 10:58. So as you can see, this is 0, and in the tables we have no records. As you can see, there are no records in the table. So let's wait for the automation to start. It's going to start very soon. 25 seconds to go. So it's going to run 6 times. It's going to run for 6 minutes. So each minute, each file will be loaded into the database, into the tables in the database. Yeah, it has started. It is time. So it has started. As you can see, this value has been updated from 0 to 1. So let me see, maybe it has been loaded into the tables. So the first file has been loaded into the 4 tables, as you can see from here. That's very good. So let's wait for the second file to be loaded. That will start by 10:54. Okay, so let's wait. Yes, it has been updated. Yeah, as you can see, more records have been added. That means the second file has been updated, has been loaded into the database. Can you see? The two files have been loaded and they've been moved into the archived folder here. So let's wait for the third file to be loaded. Is it 10:55? No, not yet. So very good. So the third task is on. It has been updated. So let's wait for the contents to be loaded into the tables. Very good. As you can see, the number of records keep increasing. It keeps increasing here. Number of records for each table. So we have 3 files to go. 3 files have been loaded into the database. So see the archived folder. The 3 files have been moved into the archived folder here. So 10:56, the next one is going to run. Yes, it's 10:56 already. Okay, let's wait for this to be updated. Yes, it has been updated. Let's wait for the file to be loaded into the tables. As you can see, it has been loaded into the tables. The records have been loaded into the tables. So we have 2 more to go. By 10:57, 10:58 is going to run. So let's go to our archive folder. So can you see the 4 files that have been loaded into the database here have been moved into the archived folder. Yes, the fifth one is running. Can you see the records have been added into the 4 tables? That's why the number of rows keep increasing. More records have been added. The fifth file have been loaded into the tables in our database here. So we have just one file to go. Okay, it's 10:58 already. So this should be Ssis by now. Okay, let's wait for it to update. Very good. So this is the last one that is going to run. Let's wait for the records to be updated into the database, into the 4 tables we have. Very good. Can you guys see? So all the records have been added. All the records have been added. All the 6 files have been added. So this is everything here. This is empty. All the records have been added. So this is the customer table, as you can see. Product table, as you can see. So thank you guys. This is the end of the video.